My son about to be mad because I'm about to cut his hair. What's up, son?
What's up, Dad?
You ready to get your hair cut?
I don't want no haircut.
You don't want no haircut?
No.
Why not?
I don't need it.
You don't need a haircut?
No.
Look like you need a haircut.
No, I don't need it.
Yeah, you do.
No, I don't. Stop getting closer to me, dope. Bye-bye.
What's up, TT? TT,
Dang.
what? Dang, TT.
Hi.
You looking crazy on that.
Crazy.
You are looking crazy.
Yeah. I just woke up.
Yeah, you might want to do something to your hair.
Yeah.
Yep.
What you doing? Vlogging this morning?
You know it. About to cut
Bye,
Landon's
vlog.
hair.
Why did I get no haircut?
Yes, you is.
No, I'm not.
Yes, you is.
No, I'm not.
All right, TT, you need to get up and brush your teeth. Do something
I
with your
know.
hair.
I was going to go right back to sleep, though.
Yep, you might need to do something. This is my little sister right here. She is definitely looking crazy this morning.
That's not getting me a haircut.
You about to get a haircut?
No, I'm not.
Yeah, you is.
No, I'm not. No,
All right,
When
Big
do you
TT.
need a haircut?
We about to go do this haircut real quick. We're going to be calling you back.
Okay, bye.
All right, bye. You gotta make that bed up too. You gotta make that bed up too. Come on, let's go get Big Legend. I got Big Legend food. I just got back from PTing.
yo.
CEO, commit, execute, and be obsessed. Everybody great out there. Back on my shirt.
Say something I can't
Commit,
say.
execute, and be obsessed. CEO. That's what that say right here. CEO.
CEO. Big
Legend.
Oh.
Yeah, CEO.
Ooh, that's
Come on. Come on, CEO.
CEO.
Yeah, come on. Yeah.
Sticking your feet.
You ready to go eat something? All right, we about to change this pamper. We about to eat. Then I'm about to cut Big Landon's hair.
Hey, I don't want to. I don't need a haircut. I don't need one. Hey, you stop getting me full haircuts. That be taking so long.
Well, it ain't gonna take too long. I'm gonna be done probably in about 15 minutes.
Nigga, you couldn't do the whole thing. That's gonna be taking long.
No, it ain't. See, you think 10 and 15 minutes. Well, I'm gonna definitely take about 15 minutes.
No.
It don't take me that long to cut your hair.
No, Daddy. No. Make it 5 minutes.
5
Now,
minutes?
it's a number go all the way down to 59 seconds.
59 seconds?
No.
Hey, so I didn't like getting haircuts from my dad because my dad used to mess my hair up. That's why. So I know a lot of kids, they don't want to get haircuts, of course, especially being 6. A lot of kids say, you know, it hurt. But for me, I ain't want to get no haircut just because my dad used to mess my hair up. And I ain't gonna say he used to mess it up all the time, but he definitely didn't mess my hair up before. It was one time my dad had cut a big bald spot right in the middle of my head. That joker cut a big bald spot right in the middle of my head. Too.
Like a big sucker or a tornado.
I don't know why he didn't have a guard on. He had the clippers like this, and he was trying to trim my hair up like this.
I like sometimes you be dealing with.
Yeah, but when I do it,
You have no square.
I had a guard on. Yeah, I had that on, so it don't cut it too low.
Yeah.
But he tried to do it with no guard, and did just like this, son. And then it went like this. Right down there. And that joker cut a whole bald spot right in the middle of my head. And then and then he was like, oh, son. He was like, oh, man, I didn't cut a dip out your head. And And then I looked down in the mirror. You know how you can see yourself right now in the mirror? I looked down like this, and all I did was I started crying.
Now you really supposed to be crying like me.
I was crying.
I don't
Cause I had my waves. You see how my waves is in my hair? So he messed my whole hair up. Cause he had to cut it almost bald. You remember when I cut your hair bald almost? Cause you messed your hair up when you tried to cut it yourself?
Cause I trying to cut like yours.
Yeah, cause you messed it up. But you messed it up though. So that's what happened.
Cause I needed clippers, but these girls I couldn't even find.
So he had to cut my hair bald. So what happened, son? I went to school that day, and the kids started laughing at me. Everybody was laughing at me.
I wish you had me while you were kid before I kicked their butts.
Yeah. You talking about if I had you when I was a kid, you would have been around to help me.
Yeah.
Man, them jokers was laughing at me, son. But anyway, let's go ahead and get to this quick haircut. See, I used the guard.
Okay, get your man. You look like you're trying to cut my face off that. Yeah. Stop. Look. See that?
Huh?
Look. I told you messing my hair up there. I don't like that.
Boy, it's a beautiful day out here. I'm going to tell you guys real quick the importance of you dispatchers out there, especially you guys who aspire to become dispatchers and start your own dispatching company or you owner-operators.
Where you at?
This a many move, yeah. This is how many move, yeah. This a many move, yeah. This is how many move, yeah. Dispatching trucks, broker to get bucks. Got duties pulling up, giving knowledge, that's what's up. This a many move, yeah. This is how many move, yeah. This a many move, yeah. This is how many move, yeah. Dispatching trucks, broker to get bucks. Got duties pulling up, giving knowledge, that's what's up. Hot shot, stay ready to book a load. Many movement, truck scene all over the road. CEO, commit, execute, and be obsessed. Running miles every day, keep me free of stress. Travel in your own lane, there isn't any traffic. Moving quick and strategic, gotta secure the package. Gotta take it and make it more than what it's worth. I came up from the bottom, used to be in the dirt. Self-made and doing things extraordinary. Going lateral and vertical is more than scary. Self-made, doing things extraordinary. Generational wealth accumulated before I'm buried. This a many move, yeah. This is how many move, yeah. This a many move, yeah. This is how many move, yeah. Dispatching trucks, broker to get bucks. Got duties pulling up, giving knowledge, that's what's up. This a many move, yeah. This is how many move, yeah. This a many move, yeah. This is how many move, yeah. Dispatching trucks, broker to get bucks. Got duties pulling up, giving knowledge, that's what's up.
CEO, commit, execute, and be obsessed. Everybody be great out there.
Man, we're going to conclude this video right now. Barber Manny. Brandon Manny the barber. Just cut my son's hair. Oh, yeah. He don't like it right now just because he ready to get out that chair. But he about to go take a shower. Got to keep your kids fresh out here, man. Son, you got anything to say before we end this video?
Yeah, CEO.
CEO? Yeah, go brush your teeth. And go take you a shower.
Hey, stop.
And CEO right there.
No, Dad, you stop shooting. People showing my face like that. Stop. Stop. Stop.
CEO.
That's why I'm doing it. I don't see you.
Commit, execute, and be obsessed.
Get off.
Everybody be great out there.